Czeki, it's Jess, and I am back with another American Girl Tries to Speak Latvian video. You guys absolutely loved the last one, and you actually told me that I did pretty well, which I was very shocked about. So I'm back, and this time I am going to try only hard words. So pray for me, say a little prayer for me, because this is going to be very difficult, but I'm also actually a little bit more confident than the last time because you said I did well. You guys did advise me to learn the alphabet, which I didn't do. Oops. But I think that will just add to the funniness of this video. Let's hope. So let's go ahead and start with the first word. Okay, so the first difficult word is going to be, it means for all sorts. And it's another 20-letter word. Here we go. Vis dads, ne dads, adakayim. All right, now I gotta say it faster. Vis dads, ne dads, vis dads, ne dads, adakayim. Excuse me? Oh gosh, no, I'm not good at this. Okay, now we're going to say a type of spider. Mamoritin zirniklis. Mamoritin zirniklis. That sounded right. Isn't that right? Okay. Let's move on. This one means hydraulic motorcycle carriage. Very specific, I love it. Avohi drom otor karit. Karite. I heard that you guys, that Latvians pronounce every single letter. In this word, there's me at the end, and I'm supposed to say it. And I'm guessing it's eh. So let's try again. Okay. Avioi drom. I don't know if this dr is right, but I'm going with it. Avihidromo a motor. Okay. Avihidromotor karite. Avihidromotor karite. Did I do okay breaking it up like that? I feel like I did. I don't know. Maybe I'm feeling a little too confident, but I think that went better than I thought. This is interesting. Slip-on shoes. Ishlu cines. Slip-on shoes. These are hard. Okay, rear view mirror. Atpakal skatas boguris. Atpakal skata spogulis. There's an L in this that has a little swoosh at the bottom. I don't know what sound that is. Oh, like, is it double L? Atpakal skata spogulis. Rear view mirror. C. Buckthorn. Smittelsyropski. That seems too easy. There's no way I got that right. Smiltsyropski. There's no way I got that right. Smiltsyropski. What am I even saying? Smiltsyropski. All right, we're moving on. Oh wow, look at this one. Freezing rain. Now this looks like it's, okay, 2 words, or you can say it another way, which looks a lot easier. So you can say it this way. Freezing rain can mean askala or sasolstosh lietus. Sasolstosh lietus. Sasolstosh lietus. A lot of S's. Okay. Vacation. I need a vacation. Let me see how you guys say this in Latvian. Atvaļinājums. What? Atvaļinājums. 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 I have only gotten worse, guys. I have only gotten worse. Okay. Let's round this off with a Latvian tongue twister, kind of like she sells seashells by the seashore. Oh, see, I got it wrong. I messed up that one. This one means, this isn't my bundle of sticks, this is your bundle of sticks, because it isn't my bundle of sticks. What a beautiful Latvian tongue twister. Here we go. Šis nav mans zagaru, seškis ir tavs zagaru, šieskis, jo tas nav man zagaru, seškis. Yeah, no, huh? Let me know, how did I do? All right guys, that wraps up part 2 of American Girl Tries to Speak Latvian. Difficult words, and I hope you guys liked it. If you do, give it a thumbs up and comment down below and tell me how I did. I'm sorry. I think I did really bad. I'm so sorry. So if you guys haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel because I post videos every single week. I would really appreciate it, so please consider subscribing. If you like travel videos or me doing videos about my life here abroad, I also love to post food videos. I will see you guys later. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.